Hi, my name's Chloe and I'm with APTS. APTS are a provider of first aid training and first aid supplies. I would like to introduce the Responder First Aid Backpack, a lightweight, durable solution for emergency medical responders. Crafted from sturdy dark green fabric, this backpack features a reflective strip and a first aid symbol for enhanced visibility. Designed for efficiency, it boasts multiple pockets in two main sections, ensuring quick identification and access to your medical supplies. The spacious rear pocket accommodates items like clipboards or towels, with additional space for extra essentials. For comfort during transport, the backpack offers padded shoulder straps and a convenient top handle. Customize your gear by attaching items such as the APTS emergency bags. Equip yourself with the Responder First Aid Backpack, where durability meets organisation, ensuring you're prepared for any emergency. To find out more or view more of our products, visit ozpacktraining.com.au.